Everyone, welcome to Global Disaster News. An earthquake of 5.2 magnitude felt in Ecuador. Depth of this earthquake is 10.5 km and this earthquake felt on March 27, 2022. Local time is 12:53 am. Nearby towns and cities: 13 km south of Esmeraldas, 49 km east and north of Mosne. Weather at epicenter at time of quake: overcast clouds, 23 degrees centigrade, 73 Fahrenheit, humidity is 92% and wind is 1 meter per second from south. Primary data source is United States Geological Survey. Estimated release energy from this quake is 1.11 gigawatt hours, which is equivalent to 951 tons. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates about earthquake. Thanks for watching.